So we're gonna crack the code right now. So to do that, click on this and tap 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now the dashboard has been changed to Daily Cipher dashboard. So for you to get dash, you have to press the screen. Now press it. To get dot, just tap once. Okay, so for W, this is dot dash dash. Alright, that's for W. Now for A is dot dash. Okay, that's for A. For L, dot dash dot dot. That is for L. For L again, dot hash dot dot. That's for L. No, to get it, just dot. Now for T, it is dash. Yeah, so our daily Morse code has been cracked. Now good luck. Do wait to follow me